Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a best powerful strategy, and this strategy will increase your win rate up to 95%. So keep the video until the end to learn how to get signal with this strategy. If you don't subscribe to my channel, subscribe now and leave a comment that I subscribed. So for this strategy we need to add two free indicators in our chart. So let's add these indicators. Click here and search GLATR and then add this GLATR indicator to your chart. After add a GLATR, go to settings. In the input section change this number to 4.7 and in the astral section uncheck these two options and then click OK. So the next indicator is G line indicator. So now let's add in our chart. Click here and search G line and add this indicator. After adding G line indicator, go to settings and in the install section uncheck this option and click OK. So now let's go to the integral with this strategy. For a long position, this line must be green and this yellow dots must be below the candles. Then when the buy signal appear, you can take a buy position here. For a sell position, this line must be red and the yellow dots must be above of the price. Then when the sell signal appear, we can take a sell position here.